So today's my presentation is about mortgage calculator program, and here is my project assignment. So let's start with introduction. So in according to the introduction, this Python program is designed to help users calculate mortgage repayments and visualize the remaining principal balance over the long term. So here is the code which describe the program, which utilizes NumPy for numerical operations and matplotlib for plotting the graph of the remaining balance. And let's go further. So this code is the mortgage class code, and this code defines a class called mortgage, which uh, represent a loan. And the class has a constructor init method. So to set the loan amount, loan term, interest rate, and to set the repayment frequency. It also has a method to it also has a method called repayments that calculates and return the repayment amount for the loan using a specific formula. And the formula takes into account the loan amount, loan term, interest rate, and repayment frequency to determine the repayment amount. So let's go further. So here is the code, and this code calculates repayment using the provided formula, calculate remaining balance after a given number of years. So if you will check it in the Python, you just need to put the loan term, years, amount, and then it will draw you a balance graph. So and this code helps the functions ensure about robust input handling by repeatedly prompting the user until a valid positive float or integers can values be added. So let's come to the main function. Here is the main function coding. Like, the main function works to prompt the user for input values, creates a mortgage object with the entered values, then print the mortgage details, and optionally plots the balance graph if the user requests. So this code defines a main function that prompts the user to enter loan amount, loan term, interest rate, and repayment frequency. It then creates a mortgage object with these values and prints the graph. And it gives the option to plot functions and then execute it if the name is equal to main. So let's conclude it. So in this program, it aims at solving the problem of determining mortgage repayment amount and balance with the application of the object-oriented approach, and it creates a class to handle the mortgage and utilizes helper functions to validate user inputs effectively. The ability to see how much balance is left in the mortgage period also serves as an enhancement and will be easier for user to comprehend their mortgage amortization table. So here are the some references, and the codings are also in here, as you can see.